Hi guys, welcome back to my channel That Style Glow. I hope you guys are doing good and staying at home and keeping cleanliness around. Keep washing your hands and sanitizing it with an alcohol based sanitizer, and please eat healthy and nutritious food, which is very essential for all of us right now. Since we all are home and indoors and now we have got a lot of time, I thought of sharing with y'all a list of top 10 fun and unique things which you can do at your home. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Number one, get yourself a hobby. Now, this can be literally anything which interests you and keeps you occupied. And it should be something that you've been wanting to do since a very long time, but you've not been getting the time to do it because of your busy schedule. So, you should be doing this right now because you've got the time to do it. I have been doing knitting, and this is what is keeping me busy and occupied. I've been wanting to do knitting since a very long time, so I'm doing it right now, and I have completed it this much. Now I don't know what I'm going to make, but it's in progress. Next is reading. Now, reading is such a basic quality and habit that we all should be having. I personally need to get regular with reading. We all have the habit of just getting books and never reading, but reading increases our knowledge. So, now to utilize my time, I have been reading Milk and Honey by Rupi Kaur. It is such a beautiful book. So, this is what is keeping me busy these days, along with knitting. Next thing is to create. This is the time to create. Draw, paint, doodle, sketch, do whatever you like. I honestly feel since childhood we've not done this since a very long time because we've been so busy and caught up with our lives. So just indulge yourself in colors and free art and do whatever you like. It'll be such a stress buster to you. So I made one thing and I'm really happy how it is looking. I made this puppet, this cute little honeybee puppet, and it goes like this. Hi! Isn't it pretty? You should learn cooking. Now that you have the time, you should learn to cook from your mom because she's an amazing cook, and even you need to have that superpower because cooking and eating are two basic essentials of our lives. So now that you have the time, try out new dishes and learn from your mom. You can even give your hands on trying baking. You never know, you might just turn out to be an amazing cook. The next fun thing you should be doing is to play games. Play board games with your family, card games, Uno. Just take out the games which have been lying in your house since years and you've not got the time to play. This is the moment. Play it right now. You can play games with your friends online, multiplayer games like Ludo King and many such games. If you all know any other such games, please let me know in the comment section below because I have been playing Ludo King with my friends online and I really want to know more games which I can play. Do you guys remember this game, the fishing game? This game has completed our childhood and I got my hands on this game and I've been enjoying playing it. It's so much fun. Delete all those extra photos and videos in your phone and laptop. Honestly, this is one thing we all have been procrastinating about, that we want to delete it but we don't have the time to delete it. So now it is the time. delete all the photos and videos because your phone is always on low memory. So you have the time now, just do it right now. The next thing that you can do is to write. Write down your thoughts, whatever you feel. Honestly, since childhood, I used to write, but I have not been writing recently. We've been so busy with our lives. So just sit with yourselves, introspect yourself, and write down whatever you're feeling. It is honestly amazing writing down your thoughts. The next thing that you should be doing right now is to learn. Now, learning can happen anywhere and everywhere. Learn digitally. Now, the digital platform is so growing and is so huge and wide that you can learn and explore a lot of things. Try your hands on different apps which are there in your phone already. Search for YouTube tutorials. Maybe you can learn a new hairstyle which you like, learn and pick up a new makeup trick, learn photography online, take up online tutorials, online courses. Just keep yourself busy and keep learning through your phone. Learn a new instrument. Music is so soothing, and now you have the time. You can learn instruments. If you have a piano, learn that. If you have a guitar, try your hands on that. I honestly have a piano, so I'm trying my hands on learning the piano notes. Next thing that you should do is to clean and organize your wardrobe. Honestly, this will save so much of your time. So sort out your outfits and give out the excess clothes that you don't require. We have been procrastinating about cleaning and organizing our wardrobes. Now that you have the time to do it right now. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. It's free, and also turn on the bell notifications so every time I post a new video you will be notified. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be happy, and stay positive. Bye!